भाजी लाइट वो कर रहे हैं रिकॉर्डिंग।
हाँ जी, थैंक यू सारे का उन्ना असी थोड़ा फ्रेंड 18 पैंथर एंड बी टीम थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग है ना। लंडन वाले मैं लगता चले गए ना राइट। तो ये सैरामनी साडी जी विनिंग टीम हैगी है साडी रेड पैंथर थैंक यू। सेकंड रनर अप हैगी है ब्लैक पैंथर राइट थैंक यू। ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੌਸਲਾ ਅਫਜ਼ਾਈ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਮੈਡਲ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਲਓ ਜੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋਨੀ ਪਾਓ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਪ੍ਰੋਪੀ
रंजीत भाजी सामने वेख के
अभिजोत
उन्होंने भी क्यों
अगे आ जाओ थोड़ा अगे आके करो ऐसे करते पा दे उधर इब्राहिम ओके हरजोत जपजोत अगे आओ दिलराज इब्राहिम साडे इस टूरनामेंट दे विच हेल्प करने वाले जावेद भाई रंजीत है ना। साडी पूरी टीम जादविंदर हरपाल राजू राइट नारायण हरजीत भाजी होनी ते सुनील राइट थैंक यू सारिਆਂ ਦਾ राइट। तो इन्होंने बच्चों की अभी हौसला अफजाई करते हैं ट्रेंड हो गए बहुत काफ़ी तुम देखा होना है कि खेल रहे सके है ना। थैंक यू बच्चों। हाँ जी तो पैंथर वाले साड़ी एक रिक्वेस्ट है ये बच्चों को असी थोड़ा बहुत थोड़े को घलिया करा थोड़ी बहुत ट्रेनिंग इन्हों हो सकती है। थैंक यू लास्ट वीक के आए भी थे तुम एक दो देखे भी होने बच्चे पर थोड़े 45 प्लस है। हाँ जी तो ਹੁਣ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਸਪੋਂਸਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾਮ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਟਰੋਫੀਆਂ ਆਹੋ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਵੀਨ ਭਾਜੀ can you come here please and we gonna give the trophies right so you gonna bring them together ਜਾਂ ਸਪਾਂਸਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਜਰ ਸੀਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਫੋਟੋ
बुलाना है जी फोन पे।
So we thank you all sponsors. So without their help, we were not able to organize this tournament. So our first sponsor is Guru Motors. Thank you very much.
सर वो बुला रहे हैं अर्जेंट आ जाओ आपको उन्हें वो देना है
टूर्नामेंट।
नहीं सर आप आओ आपका नाम प्रॉपर अभी बिल्कुल मैंने वो कर रहे थे इशारा दे दिया कि 1 मिनट में बुला रहा हूँ। कोई बात नहीं सर एक बार मेरा वाला शॉट लगाओ ये वाला शॉट लगा दो जो अभी ट्रॉफी वाला ये मैं जूम कर रहा हूँ ये लगा के आ जाओ मैं कर दूँ कंटिन्यू कर दो।
सेकंड स्पॉन्सर इज हरीश सच्चा।
सर कोई बात नहीं आप मेरे वाला लगा दो
ही इज आल्सो
अभी तो लगा दो मैं ये वाला मेरे वाला लगा के आप आ जाओ। मैं उसको पीछे करके ना वहाँ से जूम कर लूँगा और खोल देता हूँ। वो आ रहे नहीं, मैं कहता आ रहे नहीं, वो कह रहे तुम फड़ लो, मैं तो नहीं नहीं आओ ना सर, प्लीज़ आओ ना, नहीं नहीं आओ ना सर,
सुरजीत पावला सेंचुरी 21
आ जाओ सर।
Century 21, our another sponsor. Thank you so much.
मैं आ रहा हूँ।
ऑनलाइन कवरेज करने ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਵ ਹੈ ਨਾ
शारदा इन्फोसिस,
Sharda Enforces, Enforces.
ਚਲੋ ਆ ਮੈਂ
Our another kind sponsor is Suman Sharma.
ਇਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਈਨ ਆਫ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਭਾਈ ਚਲੋ ਟੀਮ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
The godfather of hockey tournament.
Yeah. Mangit Kaji.
Without Mangat, no dance, no fun, no party, no hockey. Hockey legend.
Okay, Mr. Berry and Mr. Kelly. Mr. Berry and Mr. Kelly, please join us. And now the winner of the runner-up trophy. Bhai, can you handle that?
Guys, we got two great people of our city, our mayor. Let me introduce you a little bit and give you information about our great mayor. He's always part of our family. It doesn't matter it's cricket or it's hockey. He supported the youth program in cricket, and he was telling me that he will do anything in his power to make sure this youth in field hockey is growing. And our community needs leader like him who supports us with our youth and helping us whichever way he can. So I would like everyone to give a big round of applause to a leader like this for our community. Now let me introduce you to the second person at the MP of Kitchener Centre. A family member to us always says, I'm a politician second, a family person first. My community comes first, my joy comes second. I'm very lucky and I'm very happy to have people around me and my community, like her, like Mayor and my other friends whom are looking after our community. Dr. Matt Strauss, MP of Kitchener South Haspler. He's supposed to be here, his children got sick, and he's a doctor, and he's also head of Golf Hospital. And our minister, Tim Lewis, he's out of the country, but he said to me that tell my brother Barry, unfortunately he won't be here with him today, but his blessing and his love is with us and with our team and with our community. So before delaying further, before I bring our great leader, I want to say a few things about the person who made it this far for this, for cricket, for hockey. For hockey, there is only one godfather. You know what? I salute to him He's competing with 20-year-old people. You know what? Hats off to the guy like him. There will be no hockey and there will be no hockey tournament if we don't have a man like Mangat, Mr. Mangat. And you know, Mr. Mangat must be proud that he got two great soldiers, Ranjit and Suman, wherever they are. You know, these two people, they took the initiative and they made it happen. It's all happening because of the team of Ranjit, Suman, Harpal Bahadur, my great man, Yadvinder, where is he, the handsome boy? Right? And Raju, the national player. And Javed Bhai, your blessing. Guys, let's bring a South Indian. Oh my God, that's a good surprise for me. And also we brought a guy, two people, I cannot hold them and not mention their name. We are thankful to our Goli Paji, the guy who runs the mayor office in Brampton, my buddy, my brother, and my buddy all the time, for all good times. And Param, thank you for bringing the trophy all the way from Markham. Now, the man who always says yes to everybody, never said no to anybody, none other than Ajmer Singh Mandoor. Now I'm going to bring Kelly on the floor to say a few words for us, please.
Thank you again for having me today. Congratulations to the red team for winning the tournament today. Very well done. In a split decision almost, but you did a little better on the technical, eh? Yeah, good job, good job. Thank you again for having me today. I love when we see community come together. And this is another prime example. We're from all over, not just Kitchener-Waterloo, London, Toronto, Burlington, everywhere. So thank you. Thank you for coming here to Waterloo for your first ever field hockey tournament. We're doing it next year, right? Yes. Thank you again.
You know, guys, speeches are the most boring part of our life. But unfortunately, we still have to do it. Because you know what? वो पंजाबी च कहावत है ना, if you गोड़ खाना, तो बेल ना चलाना पैना ही है मित्रों. बिना बेल ना चला गोड़ नहीं निकलना. तो गोड़ी ना पॉलिटिक्स ना बोले साढ़े को लारी भाई. Then let me say a few things to you guys. Ajmer Singh Mandoor, thank you for sponsoring the trophy. And Chacha ji, we love you. Your dedication, your passion, your love, your blessing towards this, towards me, because I'm scared in public if you're going to do KK to me. Thank you, Baljit Paji. Thank you, Chacha ji. And our scorer, our great Baljit Paji. Thank you, referee sahab. So our decision is the final decision. Right? And you know what? In general, all our friends around here, we are thankful to each and every one. And thank you to my senior man standing right behind, the great Paji. Can you, Javed Bhai, thank you to our dedication, to our help, to our support. Now I'm going to bring a champion trophy.
Hello guys, good afternoon. I am very glad to see you all. You are playing very well. Since 5-6 years I am not coming because of my health reason. So I just got my mic to remind our legend, hockey legend of Kitchener-Waterloo, Inderjeet Singh Dhami, who is near 80, he's still playing in India. He got it. So I thought his name should be mentioned here. So he's one of our legends here. Thank you very much. And congratulations to all of you. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
So guys, last but not the least, the king of city. Without him, we are all not going to go happily. And next year we will do this event in Kitchener. He's building a second largest stadium and a swimming pool in this country. None other than our King Paji, the universal Paji, the mayor of Kitchener, Barry Pervenway.
Dhanyavad Parveen, and thank you very much. It's a real pleasure to be here with all of you as well. Some familiar faces, some new faces, and to see the community coming together to celebrate camaraderie, to celebrate engaging in sport and activities which bring us together, that create a sense of belonging, and most importantly, have a lot of fun have a lot of fun to get things done together as a community. Obviously, as my Paji Parveen said, there's a group of people that help organize this and make this happen. It doesn't happen without them. You know, some of us just come for a day and, you know, we either help give out trophies or we play, but others actually do all the planning work to make it happen. So let's give them a round of applause to show our thanks for all they do. And lastly, I just want to say a thanks to my Paji Parveen. Parveen, as you know, is so engaged in the community, not just here, but throughout Southern Ontario and across the country. And he really does a lot to help bring sport together, to advocate for the community, but most importantly, he loves field hockey, but I'd be lying if I didn't say he probably loves cricket more. And so I just wanted to, Parveen, acknowledge you here in front of the community. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for your friendship and support, and wish everyone continued success. And yes, we'd love to welcome you next year when our new facilities open at the Cowan Recreation Center.
Thank you, Paji. You're always kind, but you know what? You're people's choice. And people like you are hard to find. But anyway, guys, it's about time to do the real thing. And real thing has to be done by real people. Let me bring up Ajmer Singh Mandoor's, the runner-up trophy sponsored by Omkar Food. And I would like Kelly to come forward with Ajmer Singh Mandoor and give away this trophy to runner-up team. Ranjit Singh ji, runner-up team. Guys, congratulations, Black Panther. Can we give a big round of applause, guys? Be generous. I'm doing the next one. Guys, let's celebrate the champions. You know what? The name champion that fires in and then makes you alive and makes you feel proud. Man, age is just a number. The champions are always young, talented, proud of what they achieve. So today's champion, let's give them a big round of applause, guys. They deserve it. Raju Ba, my national champion, can you come here, sir? You're very handsome. Come here. All right, guys. Now is the time. Without further delay, we'll bring our king. Come forward. And Param, Suman, Ranjit, Raju, come on, all of you guys. Ajmer, come all of you guys. Pali, Bahadur Singh, everybody, man. This is the champion's trophy. Navdeep and everybody, let's bring the trophy. And Ranjit, whoever sponsored, I don't want to say you say.
Yeah, sponsored by Praveen Sharma. Trophy sponsored by Praveen.
Come on, guys. Champion. Come on, guys. It's the champion trophy.
रंजीत
उधर की साइड आ जाओ थोड़े जने उधर की साइड आ जाओ जगह खाली पई है
अरे भाई ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਟੱਬਰ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਅਗਲੀ ਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੈਂਪੀਅਨ ਬਣਨਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਟਰੋਫੀ ਰੱਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ
नहीं पहला
Parveen Paji can help you find a PR girl.
Parveen, look forward.
Go Panthers!
करे बंद करे
You're a hero. I know.